When I first started Sumi Perfume, it wasn't all about just creating another fragrance brand. Ang daming perfume brand na, di ba? It was about creating a brand that people can connect. Something that could give confidence to the people who will use it and they will feel empowered. There were two core memories in my life na na-realize ko gusto ko mag-build ng perfume brand na affordable but at the same time quality. Yung first memory, I was in high school at wala pa kaming pera noon. So, may nagbigay ng lumang pabango sa akin. That was a perfume mist. Bawas na pero marami pa. So, malaki yon. So, it was a perfume mist. Tapos, amoy fresh siya. Pero kapag nag-dry down siya, amoy tonalid or amoy matanda. Amoy chemical na kapag nawala na yung amoy ng perfume, yung chemical na lang yung naaamoy mo. Ang haling tapat yung pasok namin and my classmate would always say, Vilma, bakit ganun yung amoy mo kapag hapon na amoy matanda? Ang pangit, no? And the second core memory that I had, I was third year college that time at naka-receive ako ng allowance from my scholarship. Bumili ako ng pabango sa mall. Hindi ko na i-mention, pero sikat na perfume brand yun na nasa mall. Nandyan pa rin sila hanggang ngayon. That time, they're having a Christmas sale ata. And I got 3 different perfumes for maybe 300 pesos ata or 500. That was my parang first na touch sa quality perfume. For me, that time, quality na yon. And every time I'm using that, I feel confident. Pag ako pumasok, mag-i-spray ako. At pagdating ko sa classroom, ay mag-i-spray ako. And I feel good when I'm getting compliment na mabango ako because I use quality perfume. Dahil sa mga memories ko ngayon, ay na-inspire akong mag-build ng perfume brand na ang gusto ko lang mag-offer ng quality, long-lasting, but affordable perfume. Walang masyadong eme. Ang gusto ko lang kapag nag-perfume kayo, maghapon kayong mabango. At you will feel good about yourself and people will compliment you because mabango kayo. That's why kahit napakahirap ng 2024 and right now we're still here. Sa mga suki namin, nakita nyo na marami kaming pagbabago, marami kaming naging challenge, but salamat na nandiyan pa rin kayo. When we receive messages from you, mga suki, kahit hindi na kami madalas mag-live at wala kami mga discounts, mga pakulo, ay you continually support us. Kayo yung reason bakit nandito pa rin kami and we keep on going. So, sa mga kasama namin sa journey to, maraming salamat. Let us continue to build something incredible together. Salamat mga suki!